We're on our way to Robinson's Dasmarinas for the Decathlon opening. We're finally here! I'm with Jack! Hi, Jack! Oh my gosh, super laki nga talaga. Like, buong strip na yan hanggang here. Just in time for the opening. Like, everyone's here. Decathlon is now open, guys. Grabe, super duper laki. And we're gonna go around lang. Talagang hinahanap ko is yung mga folding bike. And look what I see first. Oh my gosh. Ganda nito. Oh my gosh, I like this. And my bell. Yay, cute. Mga mountain bikes. Ang ganda ng kulay na to. Look at that. 11.5 urban commuting. Ang cute! This is so cute! Perfect for the fort. Then, the entire area, puro parang mga accessories ng bikes. Oh my gosh, ang daming bikes. Like, sobrang dami. They also have the apparel. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is only for 550 pesos. Nice.
Good morning, sport users.
Ito yung merong pad here. They have everything, grabe. They also have the helmets. So yung helmets naman, 1923. Look at this, they even have the child seat. So ito, usually nakikita ko ito sa Japan. Like lahat ng mga nagbabike ng mga mommies, ganyan. Meron silang ganyan. So when I was in Japan, doon ko talaga nakita yung like lahat nagbabike lang ng bonggang-bongga. Kaya sana talaga mas madami pang magbike sa Philippines kasi it's gonna be like so much help. As in, walang traffic and everything. Okay, so this section, more of for kids na. Dami, grabe. Pero babalikan ko yung mountain bike or yung city bike. Over here, we have a little play area, I think, for kids or pwede silang, pwede i-try. The area wherein you can try out the product. And since opening today, meron silang mga first technical price ng mga sales. They also have scooters, guys. Oh my gosh. 4.3 Oxelo. Yung Mint 6.3. Nice! Ang dami ko yung nakikita around BGC na gumagamit ng mga ganito. We also have mga inline skates na hindi ko naman ata ever matututunan kasi hindi ako marunong magganyan. But yeah, they have it here. Different colors, designs. Over here naman, we have an entire strip of clothing. So we have cold weather jogging wear. And that's perfect. So look at this. Pink! And then you get a mirror, pwede kayo mag-try. I like this one. This is like a super perfect place to go to kapag you're into sports or anything. Like any type of sports. Kahit ng running, cycling, anything. As in anything talaga. Grabe, look at this. Ang ganda ng print. Nice! We also have shoes, you guys. Shoes. 1.8. Nice. My size. 39. Mas type ko to para mas, brighter. Ito yung nice kapag magka-hike ka. Nakiinom ka lang from here. That's cute. We even have a soft flask. Ito yung gusto ko. Like when I run at night, gusto ko may ganito ako. I'm gonna buy this one. It's 900 pesos. Run light. Nice. Okay, we're gonna get one of these. They also have sports bras, guys. Oh my gosh. 450, 1,000, 900, 1,1. That's nice. 900 pesos lang. O diba? Super cute ang basket nila. Like hindi ka mahihirapan. You can just drag it. Oh, love it. They also have camp beds. 1,900. Yan. So if you're into camping. It's my first time here sa Decathlon. I'm actually gonna go shopping today kasi nga, take the chance, diba? This is their largest branch or their biggest branch. Cute. May mga foldable chairs. So that one is 700 pesos. 680. Ayan. Nice. Here is a little preview. Ito yung 6'2". And then inside you can fit like, wow, nice. Let's go inside. Whee! Oh my god, girl! Ayan, so ito yung 6'2". Then meron pang pwede kayong maglagay sa loob ng mga camping beds yung kanina pinakita ko sa inyo. EPA-free tumblers. Like everyone's into reusable tumblers, lahat talaga. So we have different sizes over here. Here we have more stuff for camping. Ito yung mga light na sinasabit nyo lang para may ilaw kayo sa gabi. Here we have the bags. Here we have hiking jackets. Super dami rin. We have 600, 1,000, 1,500. Ito lahat ng hiking shoes. Waterproof and everything. For when you're gonna go hiking. Meron pa silang mga binoculars. So, 1,100. Ooh. Sleeping bag, 1,800. Meron din mas malaki. 3,500. 2,800. Ayan. Ayan, for all your winter trips, they also have stuff for that. Ayan. Meron din silang sukatan ng paa. O, diba? Nice. O, meron din silang, what do you call this? Pag bumaha or for sports. Yeah, it's for sports or baha. Pwede rin naman baha. Boots. Ang dami nilang first technical price promos. Drop by agad, as in camouflage na bags. Nice. Scuba diving or snorkeling. We also have snorkeling gear. Pero ang hinahanap ko talaga here yung full face. Na ang ganda ng color. I love this color right here. Coral. Ang ganda. Okay, so here we have yung mga full face na mask nila, which I'm gonna get for me and my sister for our upcoming trip. Yung mga full face, ayan. Waterproof bags. Wow, this is really big. 2,600 yung pinakamalaki nila. 2,600. Waterproof cases din. It looks really sturdy, ah. This one, I like this one. Yung mga full suits. Okay, so ito yung mask. And actually, ang nawawala ko lang is this one. Ito lang yung nawala sa akin. Pero, hindi ko lang sure kung sakto yung size. 320 pesos. So, I tried snorkeling na in Palawan using ito, yung mga ganitong, yung full face. Bongga. It's really nice. Kasi kita mo lahat eh. We also have surfboards dito. Ang dami. Yeah, and we have swimsuits. I'm gonna buy some. Kasi ang favorite kong bikini, yung mga detalye lang here. Kasi it's more flattering to my shape. Only 260 pesos. Oh my gosh. 260. Meron din silang snorkeling water shoes. 320 pesos. We also have compact microfiber towels. Stuff for archery. Here's something I've never heard before. Petanque. Mga balls, silver balls. Helmets for what? Ano to? Mga equestrian. Even mga boots para mga sasakay ng kabayo. O yan. Cool. For badminton, meron din. Ayan, shuttlecocks. Nice. Beach volleyball. Brings me back to grade school and high school days. Ang ganda ng mga colors, no? So these are for rugby. Here naman we have outfits for gym, for running, for everything. So I'm gonna pick out a few outfits then. Ang intense. May mga trampoline na dito and basically mga stuff for gym, mga yoga stuff. Merong mga bags. So when you're gonna go to yoga, yeah, like ito, nasa loob na yung mat, like yung bricks, yung pads na sa loob lahat. Tapos kasya siya sa isang bag. Ang galing, no? The yoga mats are 1,400 here. And then we have 1,200. Ayan. 1,200. We have yoga clothes. Oh my gosh. So, 750 for the pants. Organically grown cotton. Nice. Yoga tops. So, meron ding mga fitting rooms dito. So, perfect yan. This reminds me of Phoebe. Pwede kayo try. Jumping ball. Yes. Kailangan po upuan. So, dito lahat ng mga gym equipments natin. And then here, itong aisle for boxing. Good for the arms and the core. Mga sports bras. 320 pesos lang. Oh my gosh. 320. And then, ang daming iba-ibang designs. Wow. Ang gaganda ng mga sports bras. I got this one and a black one. Ang mura ng socks, oh. 2 pairs for 180 pesos. This is perfect for running, oh, diba? With belt na siya. This is cute. So it's time to try out the clothes lang to check kung okay yung size. And then we're gonna go back to the bike and then check out. So I went through each and every aisle, you guys. Sobrang lahat inikutan ko. Super laki, no? Grabe. I-test yung mga ilaw. Cool. Oh, nice. I need that. I got one of these run light. Bongga!
Saan ka nag-enjoy ka?
Yeah, I love it. Yay!
Parang dami nabili.
Ito yung outdoor playground pala nila. Diyan daw pwede itry yung mga kung ano-anong stuff. Kaya pala sabi, you can try the balls outside. So, ang kitang checkout counter nila. So, you drop everything here. Tapos kita mo pa. Oh,